Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to thoroughly clean your Nutribullet base. So usually when you finish making your drinks, you would just clean the base, you use the brush and you might soap it out and you think that it's clean. But is it really clean? Let me show you how to thoroughly clean it, because it turns out the way it's designed that even though you clean the base, what you can see visually, some liquid does seep down inside, and so you might have molds starting to grow. So I'm going to show you an example of that and show you how you can thoroughly clean your Nutribullet base. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, usually when you finish, you clean this out, you soap it out, you might use your brush, you clean in the base here underneath, you clean the side, and you think that it's clean. But like I said, the way it's designed at the sides here, liquid does get down on the side here and you can have molds growing underneath. So to thoroughly clean it, you actually need a screwdriver. And what you would need to do is you need to unscrew all these screws here. Okay, so you take out the screws, you remove this cover. You will see these springs, remove the springs. And then you want to lift up these things here, and this is what needs to be cleaned. Because if you look here you can see all the dirtiness here. So from the top, and even here you can see, it has food contents here. You can see that it's dirty. So from the top, it looked clean, but as you can see at the bottom here, your food getting down inside, and so therefore molds and bacteria is growing. So to thoroughly clean it, you will have to dismantle it. You will have to scrub this out now, clean it, and then put it back together. Let me see if I could zoom in so you can see it a little better. Okay, so here you can see the food remnants all at the base here. So this is where molds and bacteria can grow. And even if you look here, you can see the same thing as well. So that's why you have to remove the cover in order to clean it properly. Looks pretty gross, doesn't it? That's bacteria growing right there. So the way they designed this is really not a good design, because most persons would not think that they have to unscrew it in order to clean it thoroughly. So let's head over to the sink and get this clean, and then we'll put it back together. Okay, so now that our base is properly cleaned, we've cleaned the inside and And we cleaned this part that had a lot of dirtiness on it. Now let's put it back together. So this part here, the smaller part here, goes inside. Then we put the springs back on. And then we put the cover back on. And then we screw everything back into place. All right, so everything is set back up. It's all ready for our next use. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope this video was helpful for those of you who may have a Nutribullet, and helps you to see how you can thoroughly clean your Nutribullet base. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.